Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I once again have another squishy video for you, so without further ado, let's get to it. So the package I have is once again coming from Charms LOL, and with all these, I once again have already opened the package and repackaged all the squishies that's inside, so I hope you guys don't mind. But first, I have this invoice which has my address on it, so I will not be showing you guys this. But first I have this poly sponge fingers. I actually got it in the blue star design, but she sent me the angel design. She sent me the wrong one, but it's okay. It's still pretty cute though. This is what it looks like. This is the back. Oops. This is the front. It's pretty slow rising and it's so soft. It's by Popular. This is the package that I reordered from last time because it got lost in shipping. Next, I have this whole set of Yumekira Unicorn. I bought the whole set. This is the tag. It's the back. So this one is the rainbow one. It's so cute. It's very dense, but it's also very soft and slow rising. Next, I have this one in green or yellowish green. It's also very dense, but it's slow rising. It's the same tag as the other one. She gave me this onsen bun as an extra. And then she also gave me this waffle. It's not very slow rising at all. It's very dense, but it's still very cute. This is the back. Next, I have this white one. This one is very soft and slow rising. It's softer than the other ones. This is the only one that is soft and not dense. Next, I have this gradient one from yellow to green. Back side. The same tag. This is the last one from the collection. This turquoise, kind of greenish turquoise ones. This one is also very dense. And it has the licensing at the bottom. This one is missing its tag, but that's okay. I'm kind of a little bummed about it, but it's okay. Still very cute. Next, I have this Punimaru Cheeky monkey in the closed mouth, open eyes design. It's very slow rising and squishy. This is the back. I will be taking this one out of its packaging. This is what it looks like. It's still rising from when I squished it in the package. The back. And this is the acrylic charm it comes with. It's a monkey with a kiwi. It looks like a kiwi. Last but not least, I have this Baby Yummiibear in the boy version. This is the back of it. It's so cute. I actually already have the sister, so now I have the boy, which means I completed the collection. So I'm very happy about that. I will also be taking this one out of packaging. So this one smells like grape, which smells so good. Yeah. The back is licensed by Creamy Candy 2018. Look at this tiny tail in the diaper. This one comes with the baby bottle acrylic charm. It's very cute. It comes with the blue ball chain. I think the sister comes with the pink one. That is all I have for you guys. But I've been thinking whether to do a squishy collection video because I've been collecting squishy for some time now and it has gotten a little bit bigger. It gotten big enough for me to do a squishy collection. So please let me know down in the comment below if you guys would like me to film a collection video. But thank you for watching my videos. Please leave a like and a subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.